Have you ever spent time making the perfect batch of deviled eggs, only to have them slide around, tip over, or get ruined before you even reach the party? It's a surprisingly common problem, and if you've dealt with cracked eggs or messy containers, you know how frustrating it can be. Today, we're taking a closer look at the deviled egg containers with lid, a set of two portable storage trays designed for anyone who regularly makes deviled eggs or stores large quantities of eggs at home. Whether you're preparing for holiday dinners, family gatherings, meal prep, picnics, or simply organizing your refrigerator, these containers are built to keep your eggs secure and easy to transport. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. The first thing you'll notice is the simple but practical design. Each container is made from clear, food-grade plastic, allowing you to see exactly what's inside without opening the lid. The transparent design also gives your deviled eggs a neat presentation, perfect for bringing them to a potluck or family event. Instead of looking like a basic food storage container, it works almost like a serving platter that's ready to go straight from the refrigerator to the table. What really makes these containers stand out is the specially molded egg troughs. Rather than letting eggs slide freely around the tray, each egg sits securely in its own individual space. That means your carefully decorated deviled eggs stay upright during transport instead of bumping into each other and losing their presentation. If you've ever arrived at a gathering with flattened toppings or broken eggs, this is a feature you'll immediately appreciate. Another thoughtful addition is the built-in carrying handle combined with the locking buckle. Carrying 24 deviled eggs can feel surprisingly awkward, especially when balancing other dishes at the same time. The handle gives you a comfortable grip, while the secure lid helps prevent accidental openings during transport. It's a small detail, but it adds a lot of confidence when you're traveling to parties, cookouts, or holiday dinners. In everyday use, these containers are incredibly practical. Each tray holds up to 24 eggs, giving the set a total capacity of 48 eggs. That's more than enough for large families, meal prep, or anyone who buys eggs in bulk. Since the containers are stackable, they also make better use of refrigerator space. Instead of balancing multiple cartons or loose plates, everything stays organized in one compact system that helps keep your fridge looking much tidier. The material itself feels sturdy without being unnecessarily heavy. The food-grade plastic resists bending during normal use and feels durable enough for repeated trips between the refrigerator, kitchen counter, and outdoor gatherings. Cleaning is also straightforward. After use, a quick wash with warm soapy water is usually all that's needed. And because the design is simple, there aren't many hard-to-reach corners where food tends to collect. Of course, there are a few things worth mentioning. While these containers are excellent for eggs, they aren't designed to be completely leak-proof for foods containing sauces or liquids. They also take up a bit more refrigerator space than a standard egg carton, because each egg is individually protected. For most buyers, though, that's a worthwhile trade-off if presentation and protection are priorities. Compared with many inexpensive plastic egg carriers in the same price range, these containers offer a noticeable advantage thanks to their dedicated deviled egg tray design, secure carrying handle, stackable construction, and larger overall capacity. Some competing models only hold a dozen eggs or don't secure the eggs tightly enough for transportation, making this set a more versatile option for frequent entertainers and home cooks. Overall, these deviled egg containers with lids solve a problem that many people don't think about until it's too late. They're simple, well-designed, easy to use, and genuinely helpful for keeping eggs fresh, organized, and protected, whether they're sitting in your refrigerator or traveling to your next gathering. If you regularly prepare deviled eggs, host family events, or simply want a better way to organize eggs at home, this set is definitely worth considering. If you'd like to check the latest price or availability, you'll find the link in the description below. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more honest product reviews, and I'll see you in the next one.